In this video, we are going to dive deep into configuring trunks. This is a continuation of our previous lab where we configured VLANs. And in this step, we're going to be taking the next step and configuring the trunks. And of course, the trunks are going to be right here and right here. So this will allow, because each of these are going to, so VLAN 10 can only communicate along VLAN 10, 20 to 20, 30 to 30, and each of these will be needing to go across this communication channel right here, which is going to be the trunk. So it can carry each of these, and then of course through the switch 1 to switch 3 and so forth. So let's just dive right into part 2. Everything's been configured for us already, but for the lab portions, all we have to do is this part 2 is what gets graded. So let's jump into S1 here. And in S1, it's telling us that we want to, we got to enable and then config T. All right. So we have a nice little command here where we can use the range so that we don't have to go into and configure multiple G01 and then go in and configure G02. So let's go ahead and switch port mode trunk. All right, yep. All right, and then we also want to gonna hit exit, and oh, we actually do need that interface. Apologies. All right, switch port trunk native VLAN 99. All right, probably get a mismatch here in a second. Yep, because this, we configured one of them, but all of them need to be, of course, be able to show that we're using it on all of these, so that we have to go in and it's shown right here. We have an inconsistent VLAN, so that's what we're also going to be doing on this piece. So config T, and on switch 2, we're only worried about G01 here. We don't need to worry about the range here because we're configuring S2. S1 is the one with both ports out, and of course, yes, I know it's an incomplete command. These little messages can drive people nuts sometimes because it'll interfere with your typing. So let's go ahead and interface G0, what was it, 1? G01. All right, switch port mode trunk. And we also want to do trunk native VLAN 99. And it is restored, so that is good. All right, now we just have to go in and make sure that we get this on get this inconsistency fixed. So again, config T, and with that we're going to interface G02 on this one. All right, doing the same thing. Switch port mode trunk, switch port mode, or switch port trunk native VLAN 99, and consistency restored. And that is it actually for this Packet Tracer 3.4.5. Did an easy job of configuring those trunks. See, we got 100%. You should be able to go ahead and ping and get all the inconsistencies cleared up. So thank you, and look forward to joining me in my next video. Thank you.